I remember the first time I got up in a helicopter, picking up the aircraft off the ground with no forward motion. And I think that's when I first fell in love with flying helicopters, because I'm like, we're stopped in the air, we're not moving, we're like a floating balloon in space.
The love of flying a helicopter is you feel like you're Superman. I mean, you can pick up, you can rotate around, hover, go over there, land over there.
The thing that excites me about flying is exploring.
Probably one of the things I love the most about flying helicopters is you can get to places that you can't do in any other aircraft.
Ready? Ready, picking up.
Yeah.
I know.
I saw what's on your thing.
No, you couldn't have that one.
Right here, man of life and leisure, right here.
Should I go over there then?
My name's York Galland. I'm currently living in Provo, Utah. I've been flying helicopters for 20 years and airplanes for 30. I'm an old man.
Wow.
You? How about you?
My name's Nick Secco. I am originally from South Africa, living in the greatest country in the world, United States of America. Vegas, baby, let's go.
Hi, my name is Austin Claiborne. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, and I've been flying helicopters since 2016 and fixed wing since 2015.
Hi, I'm Matt Galland, and I'm from Provo, Utah, and I've been flying for 18 years.
So the helicopters that we fly they're both Airbus helicopters. I fly the 125.
130.
York flies the 130. We love Airbus. We love the company. We love the people.
I've got a Bell 505 that picked up about a year and a half ago. Before that, I had an R44. There's a few things I never fly without. One, I have a Garmin InReach that I keep with me all times. Every time I take off, even if it's over Phoenix and I'm over the city, I turn it on every flight. I have a red go bag in there that's got survival stuff in there, water and snacks are big for me.
In my helicopter, I always have a sat phone in there and a safety beacon. I also have gear where I could stay, 72 hours, that I can have a warm tent, a warm sleeping bag, a pad, food for a few days, and I'm always dressed to walk out of there.
Set that thing up in there. Oh, so this guy, let me show you.
What size would you like?
Wow, that is beautiful. Coming up here and flying with some of these guys, these York and Nick are legends in my eyes, and I've watched them forever on social media, and to be here is very humbling and very awesome to me, just with these guys. So they, for one, are very inspiring to me, and two, just to keep building time and to continue to see cool landscapes and just to keep exploring and seeing new places.